So now the question is quite clear. Good evening everyone. Here I have taken the question from the quadratic equation, class 11. Students, the roots of the equation 4x square minus 5a plus 1 under bracket x plus 5a is equal to 0. So are alpha and beta, and it is if beta is equal to 1 plus alpha, calculate all possible values of a, alpha and beta. This is the question. So here the quadratic equation is given in which x is the variable but a is the arbitrary constant. Alpha and beta are the roots of the equation, and there is a relation between beta and alpha are given. We have to find out the value of a as well as alpha and beta. ये हम लोग को निकालना है. हम लोग सॉल्यूशन करते हैं. अब देखिए इक्वेशन हमें लिख रहा है 4x स्क्वायर माइनस 5a प्लस 1 इंटू एक्स प्लस 5a is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation given in the question, and beta is equal to 1 plus alpha. This is the second equation given in the question, which is the relation between alpha and beta. Now as you know that in a quadratic equation, if we will compare with the standard form here, a is equal to 4 and b is equal to minus 5a plus 1 and c is equal to 5a. This now it has two roots, alpha and beta is given. It has two roots, alpha and beta. So sum of the roots, we know that it is minus b by a. So here minus, and this minus will cancel, so 5a plus 1 divided by 4. So sum of the roots is coming 5a plus 1 divided by 4. So we will write over here, this is 5a plus 1 divided by 4. The sum of the roots, we are getting this equation. And now the product of the root is equal to c by a. So c is here 5a and a here c. A is 4. This is given. So alpha beta is equal to 5a by 4. So this is the another equation we have got. And one more thing which is given, beta is equal to 1 plus alpha. So we will put this value, beta is equal to 1 plus alpha, put beta is equal to 1 plus alpha. Suppose in this is equation number 3 and this is equation number 4. So putting the value beta is equal to 1 plus alpha in equations 3 as well as in equation 4. So as from here we can write alpha plus 1 plus alpha. देखिए यहाँ पे बीटा की जगह में 1 plus alpha पुट कर देंगे, it is equal to 5a plus 1 divided by 4. So 2 alpha plus 1, this alpha and alpha, 2 alpha and then plus 1 is equal to 5a plus 1 divided by 4. So 2 alpha is equal to 5a plus 1 divided by 4 minus 1. यहाँ पे ले जाइएगा आप लोग राइट हैंड साइड में इसका वैल्यू को. तो यहाँ आप देखिए क्या आ रहा है. यहाँ पे हम लोग देखते हैं 5a plus 1 minus 4 एलसीएम ले लेंगे, और तो इट इज इक्वल टू 5a minus 3 divided by 4. So 2 alpha is equal to 5a minus 3 divided by 4. It implies alpha is equal to 5a minus 3. 2 यहाँ आ जाएगा तो 8 हो जाएगा यहाँ पे. तो alpha is equal to ये आ गया. Now alpha into beta we have already calculated. It is equal to 5a divided by 4. Now this is taken as 5. Alpha is equal to this. So in place of beta, in place of alpha we can write 5a minus 3 by 8, and in place of beta we can write 1 plus alpha. It is given in the question, it is given here. So it is equal to 5a by 4. Now here 5a minus 3 by 8 into, in place of alpha again I am writing 5a minus 3 divided by 8. Now this equation is coming in terms of a. Now we will find out the value of a over here. So 5a minus 3 into by 8, this 8 plus 5a minus 3 by 8, it is equal to 5a by 4. So 4 2 times यहाँ कैंसिल हो जाएगा, नीचे नीचे भी आप कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. So यहाँ पे 5a minus 3 and then here it is 5a 8 minus 3, it is equal to 5. So divided by 8 to is 16. It is 16 and here is a 5a. 4 is cancelled over here. Here is cancelled. So here we can take 5 common. So here we will take 5 as common. So now see 5a minus 3 and then take common 5, a plus 1, now divided by 16, it is equal to 5a. 5 will cancel over here, and here we will multiply over here. So 5a into a, 5a square plus 5a, then minus 3a minus 3 is equal to 16. इधर लाएंगे तो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन हो जाएगा, तो 16a. सो 5a स्क्वायर, यहाँ देखिए आपको दिखाई दे रहा है, इतनी देख लीजिए. सो 5a स्क्वायर प्लस 2a माइनस 16 इधर आ जाएगा तो हो जाएगा माइनस 16a एंड दिस घट करके आपका 5a माइनस 3a 2a हुआ and minus 3 is equal to 0. So now we are saying that 5a square minus 14a minus 3 is equal to 14a. 14a minus 3 is equal to 0. So it implies it is the quadratic equation in A. It is the quadratic equation in A. So we can split the middle term. So 5a square minus 15a we can write, and then it is 1a. We have splitted minus 14a minus 3 is equal to 0. So here we can write 5a common. So a minus 3, here 1 is the common factor. So a minus 3 is equal to 0. ये हो गया. इसके बाद हम लोग करेंगे